tutorial talks about action lists. Action lists are designed to allow you to help your clients manage coming into compliance with all protocols in the various codes. Let's do an example. I'll go into My Audits and select one of my sites. I will select Web Crop Services and I'll start to process the audit. Under Section A, this site was almost completely in compliance with the code. So I'm going to check off all of them as passed and then go in and just quickly modify the ones which require further action. In this case, A3 requires action. I'll mark it as a fail and flag an action. The action is clear fire lanes on north wall. You then post the action. Once you do that, you'll see an asterisk appears next to the action for A3. That means there's an action recorded on that protocol. I'll close this to make it easier to see. And the second problem was under A8D. That's also a fail. In this case, the comment is missing signs. I'll post the action again. You must then submit the changes, and they are all done. Let's see how that looks on the report. If you go up to Audit Tools, you'll see a couple things about actions. You'll see Create Action List, Email Action List, and Review the Actions. I always review them first before I email them. So let's review them. And you'll see here that we did A3 and A8D, which is correct. So I'll go back to my Audit Tools, and I'll create an action list. This is a sample of what the site will receive by email. And as you can see here, it repeats the date, certificate number, the program, the auditor's name and email address and phone number, the site location, and what the actions are. In this case, A3 and A8D. It looks to be fine. So I'm just going to close that down and then email that to the site by clicking on Email Action List. That automatically then sends an email to the dealer of the items to fix. Now let's say it's been a week since that list was sent and he's done one of the required items to correct. We can go back to our audit details, and under Section A3, he's now cleared that fire lane. I can go into the access, I can go into here, I can mark it now a pass. I can go into the action list and just check it off as being done. To do that, you click on it and you say close action. You update, and the green check mark means it's been closed, and submit the change. As a reminder, you can go back to the Audit Tools, create a new action list. As you can see, it's come off the list. And you can send this one here as a reminder that one is still outstanding. That summarizes how to use action lists to manage your client's compliance with the various codes.